I'm going to show you how to solve this error in Little Nightmares within 3 methods, so make sure to follow these steps. For the first method, go to your browser. After that, go to the search and type in DirectX download. Once you do that, make sure to select the first link that belongs to Microsoft. You'll be redirected right here, so scroll down, select the language you want. After that, click on download. It will start downloading. You need to click on setup. Now after opening the application, make sure to follow with the installation process. Select I accept, next, and check this box and select next and wait for the installation to finish, and that's it. The installation is completed. Click on finish. Now you should try again. If the error still occurs for the next method, go to the search bar, type in device manager. This window will pop up. Look for display adapters, then select this side arrow. It will open 2 graphics cards mostly, so you need to select the NVIDIA or AMD graphics card that you have. Right click on it. After that, click on update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers, wait for it, after that select close, and it should be solved. For the last method, go to the search once again, type in NVIDIA app, it will be displaying like this. If you can't find it for some reason, you can go to the browser and download it from the official website of NVIDIA. Set it up, after that you should find it right here. Now open it, make sure to make an account, and then go to the left menu and select drivers. After that click install button right here. Choose between custom or express installation. After that, click on continue to initiate the installation process. And that's it. Hope this video is helpful. Consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.